Ethereum insiders are selling. Watch this if you hold ETH. Ethereum insiders are selling. Is this a sign of trouble ahead for ETH? Or is there more to the story than meets the eye? If you're an Ethereum holder, you need to watch this video until the end because today, we're diving into why these insiders are offloading their ETH, what this could mean for your investment, and whether it's time to panic or stay calm. We've got everything you need to know about this massive shift happening right now. Before we get into the details, make sure to like this video, hit subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you never miss an update on the most critical crypto news. We're just getting started, and your support will help bring you the best analysis in the crypto world. Picture this, you're holding Ethereum, one of the top cryptocurrencies by market cap. But then, reports emerge that some of the biggest Ethereum insiders are selling millions of dollars worth of ETH. What would you do? Would you sell or hold? The truth is, insider sales like these can send shockwaves through the market and cause panic among investors. But are these moves really a warning sign? Stick with me and we'll break down what's really happening behind the scenes. So, what exactly is going on? In recent months, blockchain tracking tools have revealed that major Ethereum insiders, developers, early investors, and other high-profile figures tied to Ethereum have been selling large amounts of ETH. These aren't just small sales either. We're talking millions of dollars flowing out of their wallets and into exchanges. Why is this significant? Well, when the people closest to a project start offloading their holdings, it raises eyebrows. After all, these are the individuals with the most intimate knowledge of Ethereum. They understand the inner workings, upcoming developments, and potential risks better than almost anyone else. So naturally, when they start selling, investors begin to worry. What do these insiders know that the rest of us don't? Let's take a closer look at what triggered this sell-off and whether this is a signal of trouble or simply business as usual. Now that we know Ethereum insiders are selling, the next big question is why? There are several reasons that could explain this sudden exit from the market. Let's break down the most likely possibilities. 1. Profit-taking. Ethereum has been on an incredible run, with early adopters seeing mind-blowing returns. Some of these insiders bought ETH when it was worth just a few dollars or even cents. Today, those same tokens are worth thousands, so it's possible that this is simply a case of profit-taking. After all, locking in gains after such a massive increase isn't unusual. These insiders may feel that the market is peaking, and now is the right time to cash in. 2. Regulatory uncertainty. Another factor could be the growing concerns around regulatory scrutiny. Governments around the world are stepping up their focus on regulating cryptocurrencies, and Ethereum, being one of the biggest players, could be in the crosshairs. Some insiders might be anticipating regulatory challenges that could negatively affect Ethereum's value or operations. By selling now, they're hedging their bets against potential legal and financial roadblocks in the near future. 3. Transition to ETH 2.0. Ethereum is in the middle of a major upgrade to its network, the shift from proof of work to proof of stake, also known as ETH 2.0. This transition is huge, and it comes with significant changes to how the network operates. Insiders may be selling their current ETH holdings to reallocate assets or prepare for staking. Staking requires locking up a significant portion of ETH for an extended period, so they may be restructuring their portfolios to take advantage of this new model. 4. Competition from Ethereum Killers. Let's not forget that Ethereum is facing growing competition from other blockchain platforms. Networks like Solana, Polkadot, and Cardano are often referred to as Ethereum killers because they offer faster transactions and lower fees. Insiders might be seeing the writing on the wall and deciding to sell some of their ETH before these rival platforms capture too much of Ethereum's market share. 5. Fear of a market correction. Lastly, there's the possibility that insiders are simply bracing for a broader market correction. After such a long bull run, many investors, insiders included, may believe that we're due for a pullback. By selling now, they lock in profits before any potential dip in prices. In fact, crypto markets are known for their volatility, so some insiders might be trying to get ahead of any major downturn. So, with all these factors in mind, what does this mean for you as an Ethereum holder? Should you be worried? Should you follow the insiders and sell your ETH too? First off, it's important to remember that insider selling doesn't automatically mean doom and gloom. There are plenty of reasons why someone might choose to sell their Ethereum, whether it's to take profits, prepare for upcoming changes, or simply rebalance their portfolio. These are individual decisions that may not reflect the overall health of the Ethereum network. That said, insider selling is something you should pay attention to. It's a signal that the market is changing, and it could be a sign that these insiders anticipate a shift in Ethereum's price or future prospects. But don't panic just yet. If you're a long-term investor, short-term price movements shouldn't shake your confidence. Ethereum is a project with a long roadmap and plenty of room to grow, especially as it continues to dominate in areas like decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Now, let's take a look at what some of the top crypto experts are saying about Ethereum's future in the wake of this insider sell-off. Bullish Analysts. Many analysts remain optimistic about Ethereum's long-term potential. They point to Ethereum's strong position in the DeFi space, its ongoing upgrade to ETH 2.0, and the network's massive user base as reasons to remain confident. These experts argue that the short-term fluctuations caused by insider selling won't impact Ethereum's ability to grow and innovate. In fact, they see the current market turbulence as an opportunity to buy ETH at a discount before the next major leg up. Bearish predictions. On the other hand, some bearish analysts warn that Ethereum could be facing more significant challenges. As we mentioned earlier, competition from other blockchains like Solana and Cardano is intensifying, and Ethereum's high transaction fees continue to be a major drawback. These experts believe that insider selling could indicate that Ethereum's dominance is at risk, especially if the network can't address its scaling issues quickly enough. In short, opinions are divided, but one thing's for sure: Ethereum's future is at a critical juncture, and the next few months will be pivotal in determining whether it maintains its position as a leader in the crypto space. So with all of this information in mind, what should you do? Should you sell your Ethereum or hold on for the long haul? Here's the thing, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. It all comes down to your personal investment strategy. If you're someone who believes in Ethereum's long-term potential and you've done your research, you might decide to hold through the current volatility. After all, crypto markets are notoriously volatile, and trying to time the market can be tricky. By holding, you're betting that Ethereum will continue to innovate and lead in areas like smart contracts, DeFi, and NFTs. However, if you're more concerned about short-term risks, whether it's due to insider selling, regulatory uncertainty, or competition from other blockchains, then selling a portion of your holdings to lock in profits might be a smart move. You can always re-enter the market later if conditions improve, or you may choose to diversify into other promising projects. The key takeaway here is to stay informed, keep a cool head, and make decisions that align with your financial goals. At the end of the day, insider selling is just one piece of the puzzle. While it's certainly something to watch, it doesn't necessarily mean that Ethereum is in trouble. The future of Ethereum remains bright, with many exciting developments on the horizon. But as always in the crypto space, there are risks, and it's important to stay educated and make informed decisions. Let me know in the comments below, are you holding or selling your Ethereum? I'd love to hear what you think about this insider sell-off. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.